channel. My name is Kenya, and if you are new to my channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button and the yellow bell icon so you always get notified the moment I upload a new video. As I am uploading every alternate day, guys, and also there are giveaways running on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to link the giveaways videos in the description box so you can go and participate in the giveaways. So now let's talk about today's video. So आज का जो video है it's something very very close to me. The reason आप लोगों को थोड़ा title से पता चल गया होगा. So इस video में basically what I'm going to help you guys with is home decor or photo shoot ideas. These are something which is very much trending, and majorly like you need good backgrounds if you are into YouTube business or if you are into Instagram or like if you're in an influencer platform. अगर आप social media पे हो and you love taking pictures at home because अभी हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, so it's very important कि आपका background हमेशा बहुत appealing हो and it should be very catchy background. So मैं आज 3 simple backgrounds आप लोगों के साथ share करूँगी. So कुछ मैं should I tell you right now or should I just show you what I'm going to do?
So guys, to start with, I am creating a colorful, traditional and Indian, like more ethnic kind of background, and I'm going to show you what exactly I have done. So I have lots of colorful and some traditional, like more Indian kind of cushions and mirror lighting, so I have done that. And now I'm going to show you quickly how it turned out. These are called Dhola Maru in Marwari. So yeah, this is what I have created, all colorful, bright, poppy, and the all sparkling colors, and some decorative pieces, some glow ball lights. This is how I've converted this area, and I literally loved this complete backdrop. This is so colorful. If you want to film an ethnic video, this will go perfect with that. So for the second backdrop, I'm using the same round rug, the colorful rug, but I have covered the rug with a white cloth, and I put the 2 stools, the white stools on the other ends, and then I'm using all the plants, all are real plants, and this is how the complete area has turned out. Also, I have lit some candles and I'm using glow ball lights everywhere, guys. Also guys, I've kept this like very minimal, and I tried to use white and green in this background, and this is how it looks. So for the third backdrop, I have taken this small study stool on which I'm throwing up this white cloth. And so like basically for the third backdrop, I wanted to use books as a background. So I've taken this tool, and now I'm going to put some showpieces, some lamps, some pen holders, and now I'm going to place, like I'm just going to loiter the books all around. And yes, this is like a very very basic and simple. I'm again using plants with this. I have this fur poof stool with me, so I'm using that. I also wanted to use this hat, and finally this is how I have placed the hat. Again, I'm adding glow balls to it, and now I'm quickly going to show you the outcome, guys. So this is how it has turned out. Books somehow looks very very attractive as an aesthetics, so I really love this cozy setup, and I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. This is the picture with the first background. For the other 2 backgrounds, I'm going to post pictures on my Instagram feed, so follow me on Instagram.